Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza, former scientist in area of the nutrition and skeletal research, and during the last 7.5 years I work in pharma industry. If you are new to my channel, it's all about improving and maintaining healthy lifestyle through practical and simple tips which I personally implemented, and when I saw the results, it could be in area of the nutrition just like today, or can be in just like physical activity or just mindfulness or activity just like as simple as fishing or bushwalking or camping, which make you close to the nature, which has so many other benefits. Therefore, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want to maintain and have better quality life, maybe you want to just subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple but delicious and nutritious food, which is Kuku Paka. Kuku Paka is basically African curry. It's very simple and only you need one pot. Today the main protein I'm going to use is a chicken, and if you are interested to make that beautiful dish for yourself and your family, please keep watching. Today I'm planning to cook Kuku Paka, which is a curry version of the African. Ingredient we need basically is ginger, garlic, onion. This curry is not very hot, but you add a bit of chili flake and chili powder. We have coriander, turmeric, cinnamon, cumin, a bit of black pepper, salt. Then we going to use coconut cream as well as tomato dice, as well as chickpeas and lemon. First steps, actually we're gonna just brown our meat with olive oil and salt and black pepper. We added a bit of olive oil, and now we're gonna add our chicken thigh to just brown them quickly. A bit of salt, a bit of black pepper, okay, our chicken, we browned our chicken, and now quickly chop some onion and add it to the same pot. Now we're going to just transfer in the pot to start saute the onion. I'm going to use the same pot. Just add the onion. And start to peeling our ginger and garlic. Alright, as onion is cooking, it's gonna use 4 cloves of garlic. But as you can see, our onion is starting to get brown, and it's good time to add our garlic and the spices. I'm gonna mince the garlic. Excellent. Now ginger, just gently mix them up. Oh, it smells beautiful. Alright, now turmeric, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon and a half. Coriander, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon and a half. Cumin, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons, sorry. Chili flake, 1 teaspoon, and just half a teaspoon or less than half a teaspoon of the hot chili, the cayenne pepper. Mix them up. I'm not going to add a lot of oil here because chicken as well as coconut oil I'm going to add now. Coconut cream, they have enough oil. Now we're going to add our coconut cream. Start with mixing those ingredients, look at the color, beautiful. Tomato, I'm gonna add in. And finally, I'm going to add some chickpeas here. Just put all in here. And I'm going to add the chicken, but I'm going to dice the chicken a bit to make it a smaller pieces. But this is almost done. Just going to chop those chicken thigh a bit to smaller pieces, and you don't have to, but I think just make it a bit easier to serve. Now I'm going to transfer the chicken here. Mix them up. Let it cook for at least for half an hour. And you can serve this one with the rice or naan. In order to make Kuku Paka the sauce a bit thicker, I'm using the just oat flake, and it's gonna grind it quickly. I find it's much better and easier than flour, and if you are onto gluten-free, that is much better options. Therefore I'm gonna use and give extra fiber as well. Therefore I'm just gonna use this one instead of just about 1 or 2 tablespoons. And towards the end, done. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of the grinded oat flake, and then mix it up together. Wait for 5 minutes. I think this is ready. I just want to thank you now for giving your time and watching this video. And if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. And I encourage you to make that food. As you see, it's very simple, but it's very tasty and nutritious. If you are vegetarian, you can supplement chicken. Instead, we use tofu and mushroom, and it's still going to taste fantastic. Again, I just want to encourage you all to be active, eat healthy, and be curious. Bye for now.